Are you facing issues calculating molarity? Or you don't know how to dilute a stock solution for your experimental purpose? Right here, I'm going to guide you an easy and very quick method to do so. Simply go to the website and type for molarity calculator. There, this is the website, and when you open this, you get so many options to perform your calculations, right from calculating the molarity to dilute a stock solution for your working experimental purpose. You can also calculate the mass from a given volume or concentration, or a volume from a given mass or concentration. So let me explain you this with a very simple example. As we all know, the molecular weight of sodium hydroxide, which is 40 Dalton, or you can say gram per moles. So if I want to calculate the mass rate to make a solution for 1 molar of sodium hydroxide, as you can see, you can set up the units over here, how much ever you want, and then you set up the molecular weight. And say if I want to make it up to 1 liter, so you can set the units over here. Now how much should I calculate it for my mass? So it will come around 40 grams. And not only this, you can see that all other calculations have been done appropriately over here. So you can see, if you want to cross check whether this has been done correctly or not, here is the correct value. The mass, as we have taken it for like 40, it shows 40 grams, and the molecular weight remains the same, and volume is for 1 liter, hence the molarity will be 1 molar. And if you want to cross check the volume, hence the volume will be also for 1 liter. So this, when you do for manually, you can cross check whether this is right or wrong. If you want to dilute any kind of stock solution, say suppose I want to dilute my stock solution of NaOH, which is now 1 molar, and I have to bring it down to 0.1 molar. So, and my desired volume, which I desired, is 100 milliliter ml. So the required volume, which will be calculated, is as 10 mls. Isn't it great? So if you want to cross check this kind of things, you can also cross check with manual calculation. It is very easy, and this molarity calculator I have been using for my PhD studies also. It has been very much great and useful. So hope this helps you.